Hello. Today we're going to go through Ranet Lab 4-6 over ACLs. This is actually a re-upload of the video. I wasn't happy with the first one I made, so let's go through this again. First thing we're going to do is get terminaled into this router and enable configure from the terminal. Instead of doing the interfaces first, I'm going to do the ACL first. So access list 100 tells you we're using 100 only, so we're using one extended access list. And what we're going to do is, let's see, only this host can use telnet to this host. Only this host and this host can access the internet, and this one needs to be blocked, and then everything else is going to be allowed. So ACL, let's just do the telnet first. So there are two ways to do this, but it tells you to use the shortest possible ACL format to get it to work. So what you would need to do, in order to do this with just one command, since you've only got 3 hosts showing up down here, you're only going to block these 2 hosts, which you could argue that you could do the same and allow only this host to connect up here, but it won't take it that way. So anyway, ACL deny, and we're going to go TCP, and then the source address we're going to name a range of addresses. So 172.22.3.52, and then that's going to be a /255 network. Because that's, or not a /255, but a /30, because that's going to encompass from 52 all the way up here and get this one as well. So we're going to make that a .3 for the wildcard mask. And the way you figure out a wildcard mask is take your 255 minus whatever your interesting octet is for the regular subnet. So in this case it's 252. There you go, you get 3. So the 3 goes there, and then destination address we're going to put in host 172.22.3.90, and then equals, and we're going to define the telnet port, which is 23, and that's all we need to do. So we're saying ACL 100 deny TCP connections from 172.22.3.52, any address in that network range, to host blah 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 .3.90 using TCP port 23, which is telnet port. So put that one in, and the next thing we need to do is not permit only host 1 to use the internet. So we're going to go ACL 100 deny deny TCP and host 172.22.3.53, and then destination address any, and then equal 80. So there's that rule. That's going to allow these guys to connect to the internet, but not this guy. And now the next thing we need to do is allow everything else. So access list 100 permit any, permit IP any. Okay, so that ACL is completed, and if you look up here, it jumped up to 6%. So that means we probably did that list right. So the next thing I want to do is I'll just start knocking out things on the list. So IP address for the LAN interface, so interface fast Ethernet 0/0. First assignable, so 172.22.3.32, 255, nope, .33, sorry. 255, 224, enter. Of course I forgot to type IP address. Okay, no shutdown. That interface. Interface serial 0/1/0. I think that is this one. Okay, so that's the internet or the WAN interface. So IP address 203.144.7.25 to be the last assignable of its subnet. So 254, 255, 255, 255, 252. No shutdown. Interface serial 0/0/0. IP address 72.22.3.98. 255, 255, 255, 252. No shutdown. And now we need to set a default route and set up RIP. So I will do the default route first. So IP route 0.0.0.0, and previously they've made us use the serial interface for it, and I'm going to do that now. Let's see, serial 0/1/0. And that should be it. Okay, so that one, oops. Oh, okay. I should have exited before I did that, but it's all good. It should have taken it. Now what? Now we set up RIP2. So router RIP version 2, no auto summary, network 172.22.3.32, and exit. And what else is left here? Oh, we need to apply the ACL. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP access group 100 inbound. If we do inbound, it's going to look at everything that comes into this router interface here from this, I guess you could, from this subnet. If we did outbound, then it would look at everything, going through the router out to that subnet. We don't want to do that. We want to go in. So there you go. Now exit. You can see our completion is at 100%. How much time do I have in the video? I have 2 minutes 30 left, so we'll just test web access to this server up here. Interesting. So Ranet. This one should bring up something. Eventually. Okay, yeah, there's the page there for the Ranet. Now let's try to telnet to that switch up there. So 172.22.3.90. It should be blocked right away. Yeah, it's not going to go through. Yep, connection timed out. Okay, so that is everything. Let's go ahead and quickly look at the results. Congrats on completing. ACL is correct. All the interfaces and stuff are right. Static route's done. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask.